Good day, everyone, for another backtesting session. Yesterday, or at least on our last episode, we did three backtesting. We backtested like three days, which was like November 1 to 3. Then now we're gonna be backtesting November 6, and so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna mark out this 5 star right here. Where are we, by the way? Okay, we're just playing in this range. I want to definitely see some sort of retrace, at least a full 4 hour gap. But we'll see if that will happen. Sorry, just like a 4 on my face. 15. Still got a 15 minute. Okay. This is a big range right here that we'll definitely work on within the week, but yeah, there's nothing clear at the moment. What is this price action? All right. Okay. All right. I'm not taking anything there. Again, still not taking anything. Still not taking anything. Yeah, we took a major high at the highest time frame inversion on it, but it doesn't quite that way always. So yeah, I mean, we have this here, so I'll take note of that. We still also have this until, this one is 4 hours to meet one, but still, not quite pressed with that. But I'll definitely take note of it. Um, because this one is a 15-minute intermediate low. I mean, it's a decent one if you would short from it. Uh, but I'll definitely wait some sort of. Okay, there you go. That looks good. We got some sort of reaction. This mark is out. Uh, as buy side liquidity. Wait a second. I'll put it at top right. So you can get that. Then there's a 3-minute IFEG right here. Then got in pretty deep on that. Then you could also look at 2 minute where we tap on the central 2 minute gap, 2 minute gap, and pretty much like the 2 minute PVRs, just banking. Then our entry trigger is the 30-second inversion. 30-second IFEG. That is our entry trigger. Then we also have this technically the 930 low, but yeah, 15-minute intermediate low here, just sell side. So yeah, really clear overflow. No, we won't even put this in anymore. 30-second EG, so short there. We're gonna put stocks here just to give the trade a little bit more room. Because in 30 seconds, I don't have as much conviction on doing like really tight stops. I prefer give it a little bit more room. Yeah, it's like it looks like a 30-second inversion. Blah blah blah. Take a short right here. So I can explain the trade before I take it. So really as well set up why we took this buy side liquidity with a higher time frame S&T because ES take the high and NQ did take the high. But again, as I said, yeah, we also have this high time frame inversion, but I want to see some sort of continuation or rejection from it. Here we see that the 2-minute IFBG is being respected. We also have this 2-minute BPR happening over here, and you can see this Preval gap hold pretty well into 2 minutes. And then if you take scale up to 30-second, we can see how we can have a 30-second IFBG entry here. And ES right here. Actually, we already took the low. All right, that's not a good thing. Let's see if we can have draws lower. I mean, definitely we still have this 4 hour intermediate low, so it's a still pretty LR. And I think NQ would catch up, but if we don't, that's definitely one of the factors here. So we can just bring it in here pretty early. Uh, yeah, just a quick break even. So I'm gonna screenshot this. What day is it today? November 5. On November 6th, it's a Monday. Then let's just put here the before picture. For me to read an S plus setup. There you go. Why did it stop? Where did I put my TP at? I think I lost, but you saw it. Okay, it would be a break even anyways. Oh my god. What a break even. I don't know what happened. I lost because I was up 3K. I don't know how I lost there, but that was a break even. But I'm still gonna look trade for trades because there's definitely more setups yet here. But I don't know what happened. Seems like I lost. I'll mark that low. There's an SMT here, so let's see. Where is ES at? Okay, it's definitely drawing lower. Okay. The draw's definitely lower. My opinion, this is end trouble. Yeah. It's just obviously bearish. We can get a re-entry here, yeah. We can just go max short because, we're holding full chesty, but I just do know the draw is lower. 2 minute, there was like this 1 minute continuation with a 15-second inversion. Yeah, it's like a real quickly type of stuff. Uh, 1 minute continuation. We have this 2 second IFVG over here. It's just really clear on my draw liquidity set for 4 hour gap. You can definitely aim for this low, but I feel like it's just being too, you know. Oh, it's a better TP right here. This hourly intermediate low. This gonna be my TP. This hourly intermediate low. Hourly intermediate low. It's you can see here, like on our initial entry, we just got, we're respecting still respecting before the flow. So yeah, the target is not hourly low. Still say, no, same idea, same strong liquidity. See this if this will bank. TP here, stop loss right here. At this high. All right, there you go. So same idea, same draw, right? So that is two. Doesn't win that day. Okay, that's an L. So L on the book. Still take a trade over here. Break even in an L. We can have a third trade. You know, wait. Okay. All right, we're getting chopped up here. Ooh, this one is so good. Wait a second. Did he take the gap? Not yet. But that regain looks so sus. Oh, it might be a pattern trade of the nation though. It looks so good though. I'll let you that. I'll tell you that. But we haven't taken the 4 hour yet. Yes. Let's see if this would freaking bank. Not so banky bank, but um, definitely a TP. Because if this would be me, this would be my TP. Wow. Anyways, no more trade there, so that is an L on my book. So we had loss, -1, then we had L. For me, mm, uh, that one discretionary, but I would still take it again. Still would take it anyway with an L. Oh, what's the RR on that one? I think it's around like 1 point. Where was that? 15 seconds. I think it was this one. Wait a second. Let's mark this low out. 15 second. Then it was somewhere around here. 15 second, 15 second. I can't find it. Oh, I think yeah, this one right here. So R if ever I bank this, would be 2.09. Timing was around 10 onwards, and the trade was like a minute long. So let's move on today. Uh, we're starting here with a L on this week, but how much did we win last week? So 2 wins with a BE. So right now we're like a win up on the book coming on this backtesting session. So mhm, there you go, there you go. Where are we? Okay. We have this clear 4 hour infinity high. That's our target as well as this 4 hour high. But that is a higher time frame high target. Mhm. Okay, let's see this. Okay, manipulation. Okay, this one looks like it's gonna dump. If I'll be honest with you. Uh, with an SMT, yeah, that's dumping. Told you. It's just something, that my eye is, pretty used to, but I don't take it. Well, yeah, my experience is there, but it's not high probability, if ever, but yeah, I mean, it's leading discretionary. It's not mechanical. It's not necessarily like a bad trade. It's just, discretionary that is, um, something that I don't practice. Because there's discretionary that I practice, right? If you could look at my trade, there's a lot of discretionary setup, in my book, but yeah. 5 minute, I really want to see a rejection from this. 3 minute, oh my gosh. This is not a good look day to me. Yeah. Even if I force a trade, I'm not trading the structure. Even if I was bullish. I mean, there's a entry here, but I didn't like it. I didn't really even take it. It's meant to me low. That's not enough for me to long it. All right, we just took a higher time frame buy side, which I marked out from here, which is 4 hour into me high. Now I'm definitely expecting some sort of action here. Ooh, okay. But that's a break even place. Oh, there's no clear entry though. I want an entry, but there's no clear entry. Maybe just longs from here. No, I don't like it. I mean, it would work, but I don't like it. Like, it's a trade that I would join an eval. Like this one, I'm willing to do this 30-second version on an eval. Where was the 30-second short? I think it's a 15-second short. Where was that? No, it was down here. 9:30, 9:30. No, it's a 30-second. But this market open short, this one right here. Like I'm willing to do this with like what 3 minutes just to pass an eval. Like if I go 3 minutes here, like 60 times 10, I'm supporting, so I can go 4 minis. Yeah, this one is like 4 minis that I'm targeting. 8, 16, 24, like 30, close to 40 points, which I can. Yeah. Oh yeah, 40 points. Like what? 8, 16, 24, 30, then 3,800 for 35 points. So it's like 37.5. Yeah, it's like 38 like this just to pass the account. I would do this on like an 8 pix eval. I would take it. Just like an eval trade. And then like the regain from that, there was like an inversion here. Again, this one is not a trade I would take, but an eval, yeah, because I think we did a lower low here on the S. Yeah, lower low, then we had the higher high, so SMT on that. This one is an eval trade, if ever. Unlike this. Like, let's say I didn't take that, there's another 4 minutes here targeting this high, or 40, 30 something points. So that's like an eval trade right there. It's an eval trade, won't trade it on funded. Here, depending on my conviction on this, retrace on this until 5 minutes. 5 minutes, then it was like a 3 minute inversion from it, like this one. This could be a PA trade, but I was definitely looking for something more. Okay, just, if we're just looking at like 1-on-1, you know, since like it's a PA trade, you want to be more consistent. Yeah, this definitely could work, but I'm a fade on it, fade day. So, uh, good trades for you, Bell. Not PA. My backup right now is not for data, but I recommend you to do your backtesting, guys. Do it like a data find way. So how do you do that? You just aim to find every set and try to get data from it. For me, I already know the win rate, so that I can't actually backtesting right now with like actual funded. I show you like eval trades like this one bank. Then obviously, if you want to just pass it in one day, 4 minutes would do this. Since you have an 11 point stop, just pass or blow the account. And then this one as well, pass or blow the account with 4 minutes. And then there was a 3 minute long. This could be a PA trade because we reach just on like 5 minutes. Like this one right here, and like a long from here to stop like right here. Good trades for eval, not PA, then like just a 1-on-1. With like a break even at this vice style liquidity. So it's like that. Be it for this episode, guys. I'm just gonna put this on my journal. So today, no trade today. So peace out, y'all. See you in the next episode.